First of all, starting with the beautiful name of Allah, who is the most merciful and compassionate. Most welcome to Spoken English Corner. I hope you people are doing perfect and shine who is watching my video. Here you people will learn a lot of things like tips and tricks regarding spoken English learning. So these tips and tricks will make you more fluent in future regarding spoken English. So here I will share idioms, phrases, daily routine sentences, vocabulary and many more regarding spoken English learning. So today I'm gonna talk about polite ways to talk in English. It's really important to talk with anybody in more polite way. So before moving towards the topic, if you people are new here and watching my video at first time, so go and subscribe my channel and don't forget to click on bell icon whenever I upload any new information regarding spoken English learning on this channel, so you people will receive a notification and you will take a lot of advantage from it. So let's start the topic. The topic is about polite ways to talk in English. I told you that it's really important to talk in English in future when you visit to a formal place like professional, wherever. It could be a restaurant or a shopping mall or anywhere, like wherever it could be. So you have to be more formal, like you should talk with anybody in more polite way whenever you are going to order, like you are sit in a restaurant and you want to ask from a waiter that could you please bring that thing for me. So that's the more polite way to talk in English. Whereas don't wasting your precious time, so we need to move towards the topic. So the first one is, like, first I will give you some statement or sentences. I will share you some sentences and statement, rather it would be formal or informal. Like first I will explain or share the informal statement, and after that I will correct you in a formal way, like how should you use that sentences or statement wherever it could be required. Like the first statement is, I want a burger. Like for example, I just give you the example, like you don't allow to say like this, I want a burger. It's the more informal way to ask a fast food. You have to come like this, you have to come like this, I would like to have a burger. So when you visit to a burger shop, so you would ask from the waiter like this, I would like to have a burger. So it's the more polite or formal way to ask anything from a waiter or from someone. So let's move towards the another statement, which is informal. At the beginning I told you first I will share the informal statement and after that I will correct you in a formal way. Send me the reports. It's the informal way, so you have to speak like, could you please send me the reports. So it's the formal way, it's the humble request. So you have to speak like it. The another statement is, leave me alone. So whenever you are really tired, whenever you are exhausted, so you don't want to talk with anybody and you want to get some rest, so and somebody come and he or she want to talk you and he or she want to discuss some important matter with you, and you don't want to talk with him or her, you want to talk with those people later. So you use like this statement, like leave me alone. So it's the more informal statement. Whenever you tell to anybody like this that leave me alone, so the people will directly upset from you, that what sort of statement do you use. You have to like more polite. So here I'm gonna tell you that you have to be more polite. Could you give me a minute, or sorry, I'm a bit busy right now. So it's really polite statement. So when you will tell to him or her, so he or she will not mind it, and she will tell you that okay, we will talk you later. So we need to move towards the fourth one statement, The statement is tell me when you are available. Like you have an important work with someone and you ask about his or her availability. So few seconds ago I told you that tell me when you are available. So it's the informal statement. You have to say like, please let me know when you are available, I need to talk you. You have to come like this, that please let me know when you are available, I need to talk you. The fifth one statement is when a person will come along with suggestion or give you some recommendation in a difficult situation. When you are in a difficult situation and you want to get some suggestion from people, like and and once he give you the suggestions and you wouldn't like it, so you have to say like that you are wrong. So it's the informal statement. You don't allow to use it like this. You said like this, I think you might be mistaken. So it's the more formal way. A person will not mind it easily. He will say, okay, you are allowed, you can use another suggestion from anybody, from another person. So the sixth statement is that's a bad idea. Like when you want to take the idea from someone about anything and you say that that's a bad idea, so it's again the informal statement. So you have to come like, I'm not sure that's a good idea. So the last one statement of today's lesson is your work isn't good. So this is the informal statement that you have to come like, I'm not quite satisfied with this work, this needs some improvement. So this sort of situation will always happen between boss and his employee. So that's all for today. I hope you people enjoyed this lesson, get a lot of information from it. So go and like this video and share it with other people so they will take a lot of benefit from it. And thank you so much for watching this video. Goodbye and take care.